Hi everyone, I thought I'd do a video to review this pair of crop pants from the Lutterloh 320 supplement pattern number 61. I was thinking this would be a good way of introducing some of the patterns from the new supplement and talk about the fit, instructions, alterations and anything I would do differently next time. So let's get going. So the illustration shows a pair of crop pants with a lapped zip and a pair of side seam pockets. On the flip side you can see that there are two double welt pockets in the back. The pattern recommends a stretch fabric, so I'm going to use this stretch jacquard that I got from one of my favourite shops, Abercorn Fabrics. Most pieces are sold by weight and this piece cost me about £9 and I still have enough to make a dress out of it as well. Love patterns, so we love this fabric. It's going to be really versatile and I can match it with lots of things. It also reminds me of a pair of trousers that I saw on farfetch.com, but for a lot less money. So as we know, Lutterloh patterns don't come with instructions, so I would say this pattern is aimed nearer to an intermediate sewer. If you are a beginner though, all is not lost. I'd just suggest that you write out or plan how you're going to sew this garment together. It might not be perfect first time, but as you do it more and more, you'll realise what order things need to be sewn together. I do plan on making a sew along video for this pattern if you are interested, so keep checking out for that and I'll post that very soon. Let me know also if there are any Lutterloh patterns that you'd like me to review in the comments below. So here's the pattern partway through sewing, and as you can see it's a little big around the waist for me. Waist measurements are not needed in the drafting of Lutterloh patterns, providing that your waist is smaller than your hips. If your waist is bigger than your hips, you have to do something slightly different, but what they do say, if your waist is smaller than the waist measurement provided, you can actually make the darts a little bit deeper and that allows you to tailor the waist measurement correctly. So as I was trying them on, I felt the side seam pockets were gaping a little more than I wanted and it didn't actually give me a good silhouette, so I literally eyeballed an amount and cut them out. I wish I'd taken a little bit more time, just getting used to the fit of them, because I think actually removing the pockets caused another problem. So as you can see, now the pockets have been taken out and I've finished sewing them up, the zip doesn't sit as well as I wanted. It's made the zip ruffle a little bit. In order to rectify that problem, I'm thinking I might take the zip out as well. With it being a stretch fabric, I should be able to pull them over my hips and they just be like a slip-on pant instead of a zip. I'll keep you updated on that. I'll maybe post a picture on my Instagram page when I've taken the zip out. That aside, I really love the look of them. I've never been keen on wearing a lot of black and I think these pants are a really good alternative. I also think they'll work really well in all of the seasons. They're quite lightweight, so I could wear them with a summer top or a thick jumper. The amount of pockets that are in these trousers to start with are probably a little more than I need. I ended up sewing up the double welt pockets as well in the back because I felt they were gaping slightly. I guess it all depends on how firm your stretch fabric is. You could leave them in and have them like me as a detail, but I think as a usable pocket they weren't really necessary. I'd also consider next time reducing the pattern slightly to take into account the stretch of my fabric. This is called the stretch percentage. It's a calculation that you can do on patterns where you want to reduce the ease and get a bit more of a closer fit. Hopefully I can do a video on that to explain it a bit further. So that's pretty much it. I think they are a great pant and I've learned a lot about how I'm going to approach it next time. I think I will make these trousers again. They're a really nice crop trousers and I think they'll work in multiple of fabrics. Hope you liked the video. Please let me know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Like and subscribe and I shall see you on the next video.